Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about examples of transmission line. And first example is the characteristic impedance of a transmission line. The characteristic impedance of a certain line is 710 at an angle of minus 16 degrees when the frequency is 1 kilohertz. At this frequency, the attenuation constant is 0.01 Napier per kilometer and the phase function is 0.035 radians per kilometer. Calculate the leakage, the resistance, the inductance and the capacitance per kilometer, and also calculate velocity of the propagation. And this is the given data. So given that the characteristic impedance Z0 is equal, given that the characteristic impedance Z0 is equal 710 at an angle of minus 16 degrees, and also given that attenuation constant alpha is equal 0.01 Napier per kilometer, and the phase shift constant beta is equal 0.035 radians per kilometer, and frequency f is equal 1 kilohertz. Frequency f is equal 1 kilohertz. So calculate resistance, inductance, capacitance and leakage, shunt conductance. So first calculate the angular frequency omega. Now here the frequency f is equal 1 kilohertz, and calculate the angular frequency. The angular frequency omega is equal 2 pi f. So that is equal 2 into pi value is 3.14 into 1 kilohertz. F is equal to 1 kilohertz and 1000 hertz. And using calculator reducing this value, the angular frequency is approximately 6280 radians per second. So given that the attenuation constant and phase shift constants are there, and we know that the propagation constant is a complex quantity. We know that the propagation constant is a complex quantity, that is P is equal to alpha plus J beta. Given that attenuation constant and phase shift constants are there, so first calculate the propagation constant value. So P is equal, attenuation constant is 0.01 plus J, phase shift constant beta is 0.035, and this is the rectangular form. Converting this rectangular form into polar form, so using calculator convert this rectangular form into polar form. So majority students, they don't know how to convert rectangular form into polar form and polar form into rectangular form in calculator. In the description box I provided video link. In that video link, how to calculate the rectangular form into polar form and the polar form into rectangular form using calculator. So please refer that video link. So now here directly I am writing rectangular form to polar form. The magnitude of and this is the rectangular form, and the magnitude of this rectangular form is 36.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 at an angle of 74.3 degrees. So this is the polar form of the propagation constant. So we know that the relation between secondary constants and the primary constants R, L, G, C are the primary constants of the transmission line, and characteristic impedance, propagation constant and attenuation constant and the phase shift constants are secondary constants of the transmission line. So we know that R plus J omega L is equal Z naught into P. We know that R plus J omega L is equal to Z naught into P. So given that characteristic impedance is there and the propagation constant is calculated and substitute Z naught and P value here we get, and what is the characteristic impedance value from the given data? The characteristic impedance Z naught is equal 710 at an angle of minus 16 degrees, 710 at an angle of minus 16 degrees into, and the propagation constant P value is the polar form of the propagation constant. P is equal 36.4 into 36.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3, 36.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 at an angle of 74.3 degrees. So that is equal multiplying 710 into 36.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is 25.84, 25.84 at an angle of, now we are minus 16 degrees, adding these two angles, minus 16 degrees plus 74.3 degrees. So therefore R plus J omega L is equal, R plus J omega L is equal 25.84 at an angle of minus 16 plus 74.3 is 58.3 degrees. 58.3 degrees. And this is the polar form. Converting this polar form into rectangular form using calculator, the real part of this polar form is 13.68 plus J 21.93. How to convert this polar form to rectangular form? I provided this video link in the description box. So please refer that video link. So this is a rectangular form R plus J omega L. Equating on both sides, real and imaginary part. Comparing on both sides. Comparing on both sides. Real and imaginary parts. Real and imaginary parts we get, and LHS side the real part is resistance R is equal, on RHS side the real part is 13.68, 13.68, and the length of the transmission line is measured in per meter or per kilometers, therefore R is equal 13.68 ohms per kilometer. Now here the given that the attenuation constant and phase shift constant is measured in per kilometer. So the resistance is also represented or measured in per kilometer, ohms per kilometer. And comparing on both side imaginary part, on LHS side the imaginary part is omega L, and RHS side the imaginary part is 21.93, and inductance L is equal 21.93 divided by omega, and the omega value is already calculated. So omega is equal 6280 radians per second, and substitute omega value here, the inductance L is equal 21.93 divided by omega value is 6280 and simplifying this value we get 3.49 3.49 millihenry per kilometer, and the inductance is measured in per kilometer, Henry per kilometer, 3.49 millihenry per kilometer. Similarly, we know that G plus j omega c is equal G plus j omega c is equal P divided by Z naught. The propagation constant value is already calculated. The propagation constant value is 36.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 at an angle 74.3 degrees divided by, so given that the characteristic impedance Z0 is 710 at an angle of minus 16 degrees, that is equal 36.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 710 is 5.13 into 10 to the power of minus 5, and that is the magnitude, and the phase angle is, now we are the at an angle of 74.3 divided by at an angle of minus 16 degrees. So 74.3, and this denominator phase angle is coming to the numerator. We have minus of minus 16 degrees. So minus of minus 16 degrees plus 16 degrees plus 16 degrees. So that is equal 5.13 into 10 to the power of minus 5 at an angle of 74.3 plus 16 degrees is 90.3 degrees. And this is the polar form. Converting this polar form into RHS term is the polar form representation. Converting this polar form into rectangular form using calculator, we get the polar form of the rectangular form of the RHS term is minus 268.6 into 10 to the power of minus 9 plus, that is the real part, and imaginary part is j 51.299 into 10 to the power of minus 6, comparing on both sides real parts, comparing or equating on both sides real and imaginary parts, real and imaginary parts, we get the, on LHS side the real part is conductance G, on RHS side the real part is minus 268.6 into 10 to the power of minus 9, 10 to the power of minus 9 moles per kilometer. Or LHS side, on LHS side the imaginary part is omega c, and RHS side the imaginary part is 5.1, sorry, 51.299 into 10 to the power of minus 6. The capacitance C is equal 51.299 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by omega. So omega value is 6280, and simplifying this value we get 0.008 microfarad per kilometer. Okay, these are the resistance, inductance, conductance and capacitance value. And from the given data and also calculate velocity of the propagation. Velocity of propagation. The equation of velocity of propagation V suffix p is equal omega by beta. The angular frequency value is already calculated, that is 6280 divided by, so given that the phase shift constant beta is equal 0.035, and simplifying this value we get 1.795 into 10 to the power of minus 9, 10 to the power of minus 5 kilometer per second. Kilometer per second. So this is the explanation of given data.